Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice. And today's topic is some. And some, we use some for not an exact amount. Not an exact amount. So for example, would you like some coffee, right? And so of course I'm not saying, would you like, 20 millimeters of coffee, or would you like 3/4 of a cup of coffee? No, we just say some. And so it's not an exact amount. You can say, perhaps, you can use your eyes, right? So you look at how much coffee is being poured into the cup and you say, okay, that's enough, stop. So you are using your eyes to determine how much you want, right? So it's not an exact amount. It's not an exact number of, right? I want 3 cookies, I want 5 jelly beans. No, you just say, I want some jelly beans, okay? And then it could be also unknown. It's some kind of, right? It's some kind of creature. We don't know exactly, or it's some kind of flower. I don't know the exact name. So it's kind of unknown to me. I don't know the name. I just know the category, right? I know it's a flower, but I don't know the name of that flower. So I say, oh, it's some kind of flower. Okay.